Welcome to Gyani Pandit. In this video, we are going to have a look at how can we create a tuple with just one element in Python. At times, we are required to create tuple in our Python program. And for that, we usually make use of the parenthesis. So let's say that this time as well, you are required to create a tuple in your Python program, but your tuple has only one element. So let's say that we are creating a tuple over here. Okay, this is what we usually do. We make use of parentheses, and now we have created a tuple. We can just verify the type of it. Okay, so we'll just check type of my tuple. That's it. Okay, bring in the terminal and let's just try to execute it by typing python gyanipandit.py. Okay, make sure you spell it right. And as you can see, we have a tuple over here. And since we have only one element in our tuple, we might think of doing something like this. Okay, see, we had a tuple earlier using the parenthesis, and now we have one element in this. It looks very simple, but this is not a tuple now. As you can see, the type is now string because we have a string over here, right? So in order to recognize this thing as a tuple, you just need to have a comma after the element. Simple. So if you have only one element in our tuple and you are creating a tuple using parenthesis, then to recognize it as a tuple, you need to put a comma after the element. And as soon as you do this, check the type, you have a tuple again. So we can say that if we are creating a tuple using parenthesis and we need to have just one element in that tuple, so we need to just put a comma after that element. So we hope that you have understood that how can we create a tuple with just one element. Apart from this, we have a lot of tutorials and a lot of courses available for you on Gyani Pandit. You can check them out. The links are in the description. Thanks for being with us.